Well, am I online? Not sure. I would like to check first. Oh yeah, it looks like I'm. Yeah, I do my streaming. Cool. Well, this is the first stream which will be um, recorded, I guess. So I need to perform better than the last time. Like, there is a non-zero chance someone will really watch my stream, but it's around zero because it's again almost 1 a.m. And no one wants to watch vibe coding streams at night, it seems. So yeah, what I'm planning to do today, like I have this like AI note taking up for voice notes, and I vibe coded it without much. Um, okay, in a very non-sophisticated way, because yes. So, for example, now I have a huge tech debt, and I need to refactor it badly, and I want to see like I've tried few times before with older models like Sonnet 3.7 and Gemini 2.50506, but these attempts are failed because it can't. Although Gemini, for example, has a huge context window, it can't process uh, this huge component audio node up TSX, which is 3,700 lines long in one batch, and it tried to do it in like small chunks but still failed. So I wonder how will new Gemini model perform here. Like I'm not expecting success actually, because I guess these kind of tasks are like the toughest ones, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm ready to refactor it in a less straightforward way, but I'm also ready for surprise. Like, would be nice. Um, what else? Okay, so Gemini is trying to do its job. Like, let's see what it's doing. Yeah, I asked to do it incrementally, to take out all this inline CSS from AudioNote app and put it in a separate file. But I don't understand where it moves the CSS, because it didn't generate a CSS file. Yeah, you'll create new classes, but where do you move the CSS, bro? Okay, maybe I misprompted it, because it moved classes somewhere. Probably it creates classes and reuse them in the same component. It's not battle ready, so if it does that, I would be happy too. Okay, we have some errors, as you can see. Yeah, but let's hope for the best. So it already removed around 300 lines from my components. So far so good. If it actually works. Okay. So it's failed, and now I'm reading why it's failed. So I rejected all the edits it made because it failed. But instead it proposes to move landing page to a separate component. Like, why not? Good idea, bro. Yes, let's do it. It's quite peculiar to revisit cursor like from time to time when I'm not that busy with my other job, and to see how LLMs are progressing. Like before I've started this stream, I fixed a few things in my app with Gemini, with new Gemini 2.5 Pro, and it did its work very gracefully. I wonder how many lines this um, creating this landing page component will save me. Oh, around 200 it seems. Let's check if it works properly. So yeah, this is it. And landing page still looks fine, you know. God, I love Gemini 2.5 Pro. Okay, let's accept all. Um, accept. Oh God, it started to do new stuff. Jesus Christ! I wanted to save previous state before that. It's a rookie mistake for sure, guys. I didn't vibe code for 2 weeks, I guess. Haven't vibe coded. But you know, if Gemini will surprise me in this task too, that'd be very cool. I like how it's happy doing its work. Wonderful. Audio Note app is already looking much cleaner. I would love to have like a junior developer like this. Always happy, always ready to help. Yeah, so is it asking me to do something? Okay, it looks like it's moved menu somewhere, and let's see if it still works. Well, it seems so. Support is my email. Yes. Oh yeah, yeah. It works, but in a weird way with an error. Okay, whatever. Manage subscription. Everything's fine. So oh god, it just proceeds and proceeds and proceeds, and now it's remove some kind of limits, whatever. I don't know, like before I thought accepting like proposed changes by agents, like clicking this accept all button didn't proceed to the next tasks. But maybe I forgot how this works. The search model, what the fuck? It's refactoring, Jesus Christ. It's funny that just take the bloody CSS, inline CSS, to a separate file is like a very hard task, but extracting separate components, like much more complicated ones, like I don't know, landing page or search or menu, is easier for LLM. Um, this is like the difference with humans. Oh no, complexity, struggling, whatever. Let's start with step one. Okay, I'm already sure that I will reject. I will do git stash for all these changes because there is no way it will work after doing so much changes without my supervision because I forgot how to do it properly. This is exceptionally frustrating. Oh mon dieu. Okay, but guys, how do I um don't dive too deep? Uh, you know, with um, with edits. How do I commit changes before it proceeds? Well, now it looks not so bad. Let's check it out. What did I note about Sicily? You can just ask questions about your notes. Yeah, my trip to Sicily was fantastic. Yep, that's true. Okay, so I don't know. I'll commit uh, these changes, I guess. Because it looks like it works. Although I feel that um, yeah. I've tried large edits, small edits, creating populated files and creating empty files. All have failed. But bro, like, why? You know, imports, whatever. Like menu, tsx, menu. Yep. Hmm. I will not do anything manually, bro, except for the front end. Let's check if, like, maybe it just did copies of these components and not imported them. Already plan. Let's speak. Um, oh, okay. There's a hint. You can do uh, voice to text for free if you have a ChatGPT account, and yeah, you can just do like this. Well, bro, it seems that your method is working because uh, I can see that there are new components now like landing page, menu, and search, and it seems my app is still working properly. So can you please look at these files and look at the main component audio note app and see uh, if it's if this part of the refactoring is already done, because for me it seems you did a good job, but please check it. And if so, can you please propose, if it's okay, if you like the results, can you please propose the next incremental, I don't know, the next um, steps to refactor the main component? And you just copy and paste it here. No need to buy Mac Whisper or whatever they're trying to sell to you. Verifying progress and planning. Yep, bro. I think you're a nice guy. Jesus bloody Christ. It did a fucking scheme. What the hell? Yeah, it reviewed the changes. Um, Cleaner now. Yeah, thanks to you, bro. Like, when I see something like this, I knew that humanity is cooked, because like at the end of this year, no one will write bloody code again. Everyone will vibe code, but still, there's a lot of tasks to do. So I think humans are still necessary for some time. hmm This is excellent progress. Next steps for refactoring. Mm. Same pattern. Extract the remaining large self-contained UI sections from AudioNote app TSX. Visual plan. Refactored. Yes. Current AudioNote app TSX um, contains trash, plain model, legal model, nose grid. Yep. Should be trash view. It's a full screen model. Yep. Extraction. Yes. Hmm. Yes, please, bro. This is not what's okay. Okay, it's doing its job because I wanted to write "Let's go," but it just started. Okay, like I'm glad it understands my you know typos. I'm recording this stream. I know it's not good at all because no one's watching me, and so I'm just rambling just for myself to practice my English, I guess, and my, I don't know, speaking skills. But it would be a bit interesting to rewatch it later, like how it looks like, what it looks like for the users, for the audience. One day I'll have audience for sure. 300 bloody lines. My trash component is like, it's quite cool. I've started to vibe code this project with Sonnet 3.5 in the autumn, I guess, probably in November, and so many models changed from that time. Like the pace of the progress in AI is breathtaking. It appears the file wasn't created. Bro, it was created. I'll try again. Oh Jesus. He's so, self, he's full of self-doubt. You did it, bro. Oh, should I like accept it all the time so it understands? The tool seems to be struggling. No, 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 bro. Bro, you did well. We have trash TSX now. I don't know why you feel like it wasn't created. Please take into account that you def- definitely can definitely can create new files and stop doubting yourself. It would be like 10 times faster to just say, but instead I started typing. Well, mm, I wonder if it's still working. Oh yeah. No changes made. Yep, bro, just proceed. Oh god, I need to, you see, and I need to um, spend my requests to for it to understand what's happening. Look at the screenshot. Okay. Look at the screenshot and at the trash.tsx file. You already created it, and it seems it has all the necessary uh, code to work. So please proceed, like knowing that you created, you moved, or you created a trash TSX component and filled it with the necessary code. I wonder if it will understand me. Yeah, it seems so, but it's a bit frustrating to spend so much requests to understand like this stupid nuance to make it understand it. Golden line GSX, yep. Like, how many lines do we have now? 3200, nice. I don't know, let's save this shit. Yep, faster, yes. I'm doing it in a separate branch, so we probably don't break the production master branch. But maybe we will. Anyway, it's pipe coding after all. We can do whatever the fuck we want. Break things, fix things, create things, like very fast. Code fast, die young. hmm Plain model. Yep. Yeah, you know, this my initial refactoring idea to move all CSS to a separate file, it's a bit stupid. Not even a bit, as I understand now, because it's better to move component together with its CSS in a separate file. So yeah, it seems that again it's failed to understand that it did its job. Plan card from AudioNote app. Let's check it out. Okay, it's still there, really. Oh god, like, it's really weird that my app is still working after all these changes. Dead code. All my code is dead, bro. It's still too complex for the tool. Yep. Okay, it stops. Let's like uh, re-watch, like review the edits, and let's check out if my app is still stable. Alright. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Accept. Oh. Uh-huh. Yep. These are the notes. I can click on them. What else? Like all these screens are working. Terms of use. Yep. Um, trash. Trash looks a bit weird because this stupid note is really stupid. It was some kind of a bug. Yeah, search. Beautiful. Awesome. Jesus Christ. Gemini 2.5. New Gemini is just awesome. Yeah, we just removed 900 lines of code. Absolutely freaking awesome. What? Yeah, I don't know why it couldn't move these components. Thanks, you are doing extremely well. Can you please look at audio note app TSX and propose next steps for refactoring and proceed doing them. While streaming and while what speaking, I guess it actually motivates you to code because at least you have imagine in like um, imaginaire. For some reason, I have a French word in my mind, like imagined. I don't know, like I'm imagining my audience, and it's like suffisant. It's it's enough to keep going. There are still several areas. Bien sûr, bro. They're no longer used. Really? Wait a minute. So where is this like plain car? Ah, okay, I see. It's here. Yeah, it's a really dead code. Search model. So search and search model are different things. And the large line style. Yep. Okay. Let's save the code. Why not? Yes. Before it really proceeds. I didn't even test my app. Like, yeah, I'm doing bad as I can see. I like as a supervisor for AI. Well, to move inline CSS uh, would be awesome. 600 lines. Jesus. Bro, please do it. Yeah, we fucked up for a moment, as you can see. What the search model is? Okay, model and search. Search is like a form. Yeah, probably. Okay, I understood. App CSS. What's the name? Wow. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, I'll fix this bug later. App CSS, right? Yes. Awesome. Uh, okay, let's save the code because, like, I think it will handle debug anyway, so we can just ask it to fix it first and then proceed with refactoring. Custom hooks. I don't know. Like I wonder what with the sound in my stream, because I have a very very crappy um, microphone on my earplugs. So yeah. So we saved the code, and now let's fix the bug. Like the only proper command for cursor in such situations is pulse fix. I've zeroed in, I don't know what zeroed even means, you know. I'm a vibe coder after all. Jesus, so audio notes app, like the main component is less than 2000 lines now. Jesus, it's super cool. Error has been fixed, really? Let's save it. Yes. Okay. Like I'm very surprised how consistent the edits are. It didn't confuse like the code in these components. It didn't remove some, you know, unnecessary stuff. It's very surprising. Awesome. Let's do what you thinking would be best to do now. I wonder how many requests I have in cursor left. Um, so yeah, I spent only 2. Jesus. Oh, now 14. Okay. Yeah, I need to spend them more faster. We're on the same page, bro. Always. Not always, but more often now. Custom hook. If only I knew what hook is. Slim down the main component. Like that's our aim, bro. Hooks. Uh-huh. See it created new folder. Can't complain. Yeah, all recording related states. Yeah, would be cool. Jesus, it's such a senior programmer. Remove. Yeah, you'll remove it and I'll save the code, I guess. We have a few bugs in terminal, as you can see. I wonder if it's understand if it's understand if it will understand this and fix it on its own. What the hell? What's happening? Is it AGI? Is it ASI? So many things has changed. Attempt failed. Well, it's sad. Yep, good approach. I hope you're reading the what Gemini says because I'm doing it like silently. Reordering the codes. Sound good. Okay. Okay, it's doing something. In the meantime, my app is okay. Not this one. My app is dead. Okay. It's generating something. Like, I have an urge, one might say, to upload this stream to YouTube and to see if there is anyone like uh, who's willing to watch this. Usually, like whatever you upload to YouTube, at least one person will try to watch it. Maybe I will do it, maybe not. Maybe not because this stream is really Gonzo style. I'm not calling out you on this. Is it listening to me or what? Okay, try it. But I'm ready to do git stash, if anything. I wonder these conversations with Gemini, are they okay? Yeah, I'm spending some requests when I'm clicking um, accept all probably. My bet that it will fail again. I will do git stash and we'll start from scratch. But I'm not sure, should I go to the next chat or proceed in this one? And they explicitly say start a new chat for better results. Yeah, I'll probably do a next one. Okay, what's happening? Manual refactoring guidance. What the hell are you doing? Bro, I think you've already created this file, and all you need is to fix the main component. Oh god, what is it? What the hell? Okay, let's give it a try. Uh, what's wrong with this file? Yeah, what the hell? It's some kind of bug for sure. Yeah, it's one more last attempt before I go git stash and create a new chat. Many linting errors, whatever. Git stash. Irreversible, yes. Thanks. Okay, let's close all these files. Yeah, because they're, I don't know, they're, or whatever. Why am I recording this? I don't know, you know? Yeah, cursor is fucked up at the moment. Let's restart it. Yep. How many lines do we have now? Less than 2000, okay. I my main component called audio note app is still quite big, having almost 2000 lines of code. Can you please look into it and propose the next steps to refactor it to make it smaller and manageable? And then proceed uh, doing this plan. Not doing, what is the word? What is the correct word? Deep dive. Outlining a plan. I want to see schemes, bro. I like pictures. Of course. Has grown quite large. Custom hooks. Crude. Create, read, update, delete. Great, the directory structure is well organized. No, it's not. It's horrible. I wonder if it keeps. Okay, yeah, failed. Although it probably did. I can remove them manually, so don't be sad. Okay, so we have a linter error. How come? Okay, we don't have it running. hmm Why it's struggling with, like the easiest of the tasks? Like it knows what to do, but for some reason it can't just remove a piece of code it knows needs to be removed. The model is stuck. Okay. Don't know, bro. Yeah, and it will probably again stuck with removing the dead code. Maybe I'll try to, you know, propose it to do it manually, maybe. But we need to stop it for a moment, I guess. I can remove the old code menu. Okay. I think I can remove the old code manually if you're struggling with it. You just need to tell me what exactly I need to remove, um, if it helps. Let's show it new files. Detailed instructions to the user. That's me. It's a me, user. Why user and not owner? You know, or master, for example. What do you mean? User is like, the lowest point in the chain of, I don't know, food chain of the consumer products. Of course. Thanks. Okay, remove all state declaration for this message. Yeah, so let's find it. So they're already removed, or not. Let's check it out. Um, oh no, I'm looking at in the right file. Okay, session outloading. It's something different, right? Export. Okay, I don't know. On out state change. I need to just remove it, right? effect. What the hell? Do we even have it? No, we don't. You did it. Use effect. Hidden toast. Set toast message. Yep. Const handle logout. You know what? I couldn't find these pieces you wanted me to remove manually, which means you did it yourself. You did it on your own. So it seems that for some reason uh, you can't understand when you succeed doing your job. So like please keep in mind that your attempts to create new files, to remove old code, it seems they work fine. So just proceed doing your job and fixing errors and refactoring my components. Contradictory signals. Yeah. Why no one's watching me? You know, like they said that Twitch has some, I don't know, mechanisms to promote channels. But okay, let's check out the not Twitter but Twitch. What do they say? Like, is there even my channel somewhere? Browse like software development. It's a tag, right? Yeah. Software and game development. Just 1,000 viewers. And my channel is, I don't know where recommended for you. Viewers low to high. Mine must be the first one. Yeah, here it is. One viewer. Okay. No te preocupes. Thank you for your trust. Thank you. Um, okay, it will try to remove code again, and it will probably stuck with it. I'm ready to hit git stash once again. But so many these hooks and utils are created. It's a pity to dump them. Maybe I need to hit accept. No, bro, it's working. Okay, it's working and I want to save it. You know, what the hell? Oh god, what the fuck? I don't want to apply anything to Superbase without understanding it. Okay, my app is still working. It seems. I don't want to apply these migrations. I think it's confused. Something. Minus 200 lines. Not bad. You know what? While I'm trying to revive this old code base, like with the vibe coded trash, in a separate repository, I want to do a good job applying all the rules to escape such a mess in the for the future projects. Let's say because I don't see any what? I don't see any. Oh no, now I see errors. Yes, let's say this shit. I feel stupid doing this. Oh god, let's say this shit. Is it only me or is it working faster? Let's accept. Please wait, look at it again. It seems that you applied the changes. Please look at the component again and uh, proceed and also fix the errors. Yep. And what else? Okay, let's show him the errors. Do I really have all these errors? Yep. Okay. Okay. Um. Oh fuck. Oh god, it's freaking broken. Why? Oh, it works so nice. What does like button checkout even do? Okay, I think this is the state. Um, okay, I think I need to ask. You know, in cursor, I in source control, I do checkout detached, clicking on a commit. What does it mean? No, okay, I need to create a new um, branch for this. Okay. Yeah. Let it be. Whoa, it seems that I have a second viewer. Can't believe that. If you hear me, you are the first viewer ever on my channel. I don't know what you think about what I'm doing, but in general, I'm trying to refactor my vibe coded trash together with Gemini, and it did tremendous job so far. And I think we have few last shots to make this 1000 plus file uh, components, like I don't know, 200 lines or even less. I think it will like be more dry, if you know what I mean. Right now I'm thinking, should I create a new chat for this? Yeah, maybe yes. Please look at my component called audio note app and propose um, how we can refactor it to make it smaller and more manageable, and proceed with implementing this plan. Wonder how many requests I spent so far. Like, for the record, I've tried to refactor my app a few times before, and it went horrible. I've tried to do this with mm, Sonnet 3.7 and Gemini 2.5 Pro, the May version, and they failed miserably. But new Gemini is doing great. Not without errors, but still. Of course. Yep. Custom hooks. I thought we already did this, but I guess you can do like nested components just for eternity. Yeah, UI into components. Sounds good. Yeah, cleaner. Yes, I did. It's funny that I didn't even finish to reading his plan and he's already implementing it. And I'm just accepting everything, you know? Like, why the fuck not? It's vibe coding after all. That's a great start. Oh, so my component still contains a great deal of complex, duplicated, and blah blah blah. You don't say. More advanced logic. Orphaned code. What's a sentence? Okay, so my only unique viewer is left, but whatever. I'll get a new one at some point. So, like my stream isn't invisible, so as far as I can see. So yeah, we'll just keep going. Oh God, Gemini chose violence. It seems. He wants to just completely rewrite audio note app. Can't blame it, but we'll see how it goes. So far so bad. Well, it seems that uh, my viewer left because I didn't reply to his questions. Huh. I didn't know you asked me, bro, because I don't know how to do it yet. Yes, it's a React app. No, no, please proceed. Full final version of audio note app. Yep. Mm-hmm. Did you succeed, bro? Not sure. But it's nice to see that uh, it's already can handle like the full text of the component, like with almost 4,000 lines of code, it was impossible for sure. What the? So, so is it working? It seems so. Let's save the code. Let's commit it before it's too late. Yes. Thanks. Single source of search functionality. Sounds good. I think for my non-existent viewers would be more interesting to see the app on the screen all the time, isn't it? Okay, let's do this. How do I do that in what? Yep, yep. What do we have now? Oh my god. Yes. Do this and here do this. Oh god, okay. Yes. Do something, bro. Whatever. No, not whatever. Like, I want to see the whole window. Why can't I make it smaller? What the fuck is happening? Okay, whatever. Let's accept all this shit. Nah, okay, next time. Let's do it full screen. Excellent. He's doing well. It looks like. Okay. Well, my component is 500 lines of code now. Um, no, not Naughty Inc., but yeah, localhost. Try now. Oh, I need to log in again. Why? Um, yeah, now what? Oh god, why? What did you do? Why I can't see? Uh, why can't I log in or see my notes? So it's proud of its work, but maybe we should restart the what? The project. Okay, I don't know. I will save it anyway, and then I'll ask Gemini to fix it. Okay, you know what? Oh wait. Thanks. You know what? For some reason, when I refresh, okay, not even refresh, but all I can see now is landing page, and after that, I'm trying to log in, and uh, it seems that login is successful. But after that, all I see is blank window, blank screen, with no elements at all. And if I refresh the page, I see landing page again, and I need to log in again. Can you please try to understand why it's happening and fix it? I'll show him the screen, you know. What if he's not believe me? He doesn't believe me. Like, humans are visual, maybe LLMs are too. Okay, it's doing something. Let's pray it works. Unexpected changes. Oh, bro. Okay, we get some kind of what recursion. I don't know. I'll close it. Streaming is really motivating. It's like even if I'm like procrastinating, having my depression, and not vibe coding, like streaming is something new, something like low-key interesting, and it adds up to my motivation to do something. So if you hear that, start your own stream and do stuff. I believe the issue is fixed. Me too, bro. Yeah, let's see. No, it's bloody not. Infinite loop, exactly. Yeah, play. He's so confident. But, like, I don't like to log in every time. Like, also, one little observation is that LMs started to work much faster than when I started last autumn. Yes, please just work. I'm a bit tired of this bug. Oh no. Again, it's just a blank screen. Let's save, like what do we have to lose? I can check out if anything. I don't know why it's like this. Blank screen, like it must be something very trivial. Shadow roots, main, blah blah blah. Nothing is interesting. Okay. Yeah, it's proposing something. Okay then. He stabilized something. The root cause. Okay, one more login. I hate this stupid email. Fuck. I'm still having a blank screen instead of my app after login, and it looks like there is nothing in DOM, in DOM. How can we fix it? What do you think? Well, today I've got my first viewer. I can count it as an accomplishment, I guess. And he even asked me something in the chat, and I didn't see it, unfortunately. Yeah, I've got one spammer too. Huh, it's funny. Okay. Yeah, I should have this chat open, I guess. What the fuck? What kind of app TSX, bro? Where did you get it? What the hell? Mm-hmm. Okay. I don't know. It did something. Let's check it out. What? Okay, I've lost even my stupid landing page now. God, bro. Now it's. Sorry, but now it's completely blank. I don't even see landing page or authentication screen. We messed up something. would love um, to finish refactoring of the main component today. Really, would be awesome. Like the opportunities are endless. If so, overall, like I'm very happy with new Gemini model, but would be cool to what to really accomplish something with it. I think for this stream, I need to buy a new monitor, for these streams. Hmm. I think it's misleading again, but I will see. I'm going in circles. Yes, you do, bro. Why it decided to go to Superbase? It's reverting something. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Still nothing on my screen. So it's reversing shits. Why do you think it's a stuck loading screen? There's completely nothing in the DOM, so it's probably some kind of logic behind up to 6. Okay, first fail. Okay, it's not nothing. Wait, I don't understand. Okay, let's send it, we'll see. Maybe it will get some context from this. Maybe it will not. I believe this fixes the problem. Okie dokie. I believe it's not. And I'm right. Completely. Okay. Okay, time to step back. Um, let's do some checkouts. Okay, let's let's no. Let's get stash this shit. It's definitely um, dead end. Yeah, it's a blank page. Let's try this one. Okay, let's try it like this. Please fix. Let's fix this. Try to get a stable build and we'll probably go to sleep. Enough for today. Oh. Yeah, please fix it. Yes, yes. So you fixed it, and I hope now I'll see what my bloody notes. No fucking way. Oh god. I don't know. What if I restart? Yes. I don't fucking understand, bro. Okay, let's do this one. It's really peculiar. No fucking way. Oh god. I don't know, let's restart my stupid browser or whatever, because it's clearly not working properly, because this version was stable. I remember this. Okay, I think it's time to end the stream because I need to sleep. I'll do a screenshot that I had my first viewer. I don't know. It will help me be um, motivated. Yep. Okay. See you guys. Thanks for watching.